Hi guys, what's up? Brandon, Bgb.Productions here. I know I've said this in the last few videos, but my videos are going to be a little hectic and a little all over the place until I really get caught up. I've recorded a lot, I just haven't posted a lot, but I'm trying to do better. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. Currently it's 9:30 on Sunday and this video was supposed to be posted 2 hours ago. But we worked all day, and then thanks to daylight savings times, we got home and we got to play a little bit, hence the bikes. Anyway, so in this video, I'm going to be kind of outlining putting the flatbed on my 6.0 here. Now, not a lot of y'all know about this. Now, I did post a video about this, about how I traded another truck for this truck in stock form. And that video kind of sucked and it flopped. But anyway, right now I'm going to give you a quick overview of the truck, kind of show you what's going on with the truck. And then I've got a few snippets of us throwing this flatbed on here. It was a fiasco. And then I also have a snippet of me mounting these 33-inch tires up by hand on these rare wheels. Flip the camera around a little bit and I'll give you a little overview of the old girl. Just a slight bit of a rundown on it. 2005 Lariat Ultimate. It's got all the works. Aluminum radiator, dual fans, studded, Titan turbo, big injectors, regulated return, all aluminum piping. It's got all the works. Now, when I got this truck, it was cosmetically stock other than headlights, grill, and window tint. I'll put a picture right here. I got really lucky on Facebook Marketplace and I was able to trade factory suspension for this 6-inch 4-link FabTech. I had a set of Fox shocks on the shelf, and then I also had a set of dual steering stabilizers on the shelf that I threw on the truck. And then the factory bed was rotted. I think I have a clip of that here too. It's got wobby solby. And I didn't want to deal with painting a new bed to put on it. So I found this flatbed. I bought it for $500 from a buddy, and you can see how that goes on right now.
Dude, Emmett did that shit to me one time on accident. I can't. Yeah, the post flirt he did was, you got me? I was like,
they'll hit. This one will hit the fuel tank, and this one will hit the main bed support. At least if it goes to fall, I could like just flip it around real quick.
Yeah, my face is going in your ass. Maybe like a Hancock thing.
Oh goodness, man. Wait, hold on, let me see that real quick. Wait, maybe we need it. That fucking truck. That truck is deafening.
That is like ear piercing.
They've got a frame support. I'm about to just measure and drill a fucking hole in the bed. I don't give a fuck that much.
Well, if you want to, let's say. Looks like, bud. You.
Now that y'all have seen that fiasco, thank gosh I've got a Mini X because it makes everything easier other than doing my plumbing. But with that, the 38s on this thing were the 38s and the wheels and tire combo. It went perfect. It was just too big. It was massive, and the truck didn't like it. It was getting hot, so I thought it had a few other issues that I don't really even want to talk about right now. I mean, literally Exhibit A. Yeah, that's coolant. That's coolant that's like 2 days old. Anyway, so right here, we will. I'll give you a little clip of me busting the bead with my Mini X and dismounting the 38 and hand mounting a set of 33s on it. All right, it's a long video, but I started recording at 20 minutes. What'd that take? 15, maybe? So 38's off, 33 on it. That polished out is gonna be a badass looking wheel and tire. So after all of that, you can kind of see where the truck started and where it's at right now. And it is looking pretty good. But I have a feeling that I don't know if I can shake. I am honestly considering getting rid of the flatbed. I love it. It looks good. It fits the look of the truck. But I almost think that the body of this truck is decently clean. It needs a little bit of work. That I want to put a new factory bed on it and paint it. And I think this thing with a set of ranch hands and a factory bed, I think it'll look good. That's up to y'all though, to tell me if that's a good idea or it's not a good idea. We'll give y'all one last shot here. You can see her, she's looking pretty good on the polished Eagle alloy 101s. Get a front shot. Let's get 0.5. Oh, we're a little dusty. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. It is a love-hate relationship with this truck. I have worked on it at least every week for the last 2 months, dealing with oil leaks, oil cooler, coolant leaks, you name it. Fingers crossed, I want to say that I'm finally at the point where I just fixed the last coolant leak. Put it back together literally just a little bit ago. I haven't even started it. I don't want to. But, yeah. So, let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Let me know what you want to see next with this truck. If I need to keep the flatbed, if I need to clean the flatbed up, whatever I need to do. But yeah. So, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate the support that I've been getting. Whether it's the likes, whether it's the comments, whether it's the subscribes, honestly. Yeah. So, y'all have a good one.